How to fix iMessage not sending in iOS 18.1? Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix iMessage not sending on iOS 18.1. If your messages are stuck or failing to deliver, this guide will help you get things back on track. Let's dive in. First, ensure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Open Safari and try loading a website to confirm connectivity. Go to Home Screen, open the Messages app, open the conversation in the Messages app, confirm the recipient's phone number or email address is correct. Go to Setting, tap on General, go to Software Update. If an update is available, install it to fix any potential bugs. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap on Apps, scroll down, tap on Messages, toggle iMessage off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Reset, then reset Network Settings. If none of these steps work, reach out to Apple support for further assistance. And that's it. With these steps, your iMessage should be sending smoothly on iOS 18.1. If this video helped, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next video.